parang ano, nasa loob lang kami. So, parang boring na yung ano namin. So, kailangan namin lumabas. Where is your mask? So, ayan. You have the mask? So, ayun guys. Tingnan niyo yung mga kahoy. Kasi nag-i-snow dito. So, that's how changes the color. Look at that, the tree. So nice, the tree with the...
The trees blocking out.
Yeah. See how the sun behind them. I'm gonna run that.
Run around in circle.
So look at that. It's dying now, right?
No, the leaves blow off and they grow back new ones.
Oh, because today is the autumn, right? So it's a season of autumn, right?
Something like that, yeah. They change colors.
Look at that. It's a red one too.
In Florida, we don't have that.
Yeah, but I saw like that kind of tree, but not too much, right? We are here. So in Holiday Express, there. So kami nakatira ngayon, nandito kami sa Hyatt. It's in Hyatt. So mag-iikot-ikot lang kami. So ayan, maaga kasi umuwi si Habi. Galing sa work niya. So ayan. Parang na-boring kami sa loob ng hotel na iniistihan namin. So dito muna kami sa labas. Look at that, the tree there.
Oh, a bunch of different colors.
Yeah. So, can we go there?
Yeah.
So, pupuntahan natin yung mga kahoy, iba-ibang kulay. So, ayan.
You don't even have it out here as long as you have people.
Yeah. You just put like where it hung up. So, ayan. I think... So, ayan guys, it's very, I think that's kind of tree, a maple tree. That's like, it's a red one, right?
No, it's green.
No, the one. So it was like that. Then it turns to become red, and then after that become brown. So it changed. So we'll see. And okay, ngayon ko pa lang to na experience yung ganito na iba-iba yung kulay yung mga so malamig dito. So we are so lucky today that the sunshine come out. But it's going to nighttime. So nagkaroon ng pagkakataon. So tomorrow is what? We have
Sunday.
sunshine also.
Yeah.
Hey guys. So ayan, red. It's red na siya. O siya, diba? So ang ganda. So ganito na siya pag ano na siya, pag autumn. So yung kulay niya is changing.
It's changing to fiery red.
Yeah. So
It looks like it's red on the.
but if you come here, it's like orange. Red orange. So that's it. So, nasa Lasang tayo. Sa, what is Lasang? Kagubatan. Street na Kagubatan. So, the tree there is yellow. There are yellow now, and then now become red. And then, this one, it's dying. Kasi, malamig na eh. So, it's season for autumn. So, ayan guys, it's going to winter na here. And look at that. Now, it's going to drop all the...
Don't shake the tree.
Yeah. Babe, do like that. Then I want to stay here.
Shake the tree.
Yeah.
I can't shake the tree.
No, honey, it's this one only. This one. Look at that. So funny. So that's what. So now I experience. So I'm so lucky.
Now we just wait for the snow.
So we are waiting for the snow.
And we're gonna go swimming now.
So now this kind of tree is a yellow one. See? Look at that, honey. So we come here. It's same thing, like it becomes, it's not, So ito naman ay kulay dilaw. So can you do it for me? So dilaw. So, it's dilaw. See? It's turned to yellow. So kanina it was red, and now we are here in yellow color. So kanina. Ooh, diba? Ang ganda niya. So, ayan guys. So, paano yung autumn panahon ng taglagas. So, ito po yun. Nalalagas po yung dahon. Then, after that, when they, kasi mag-winter siya, so, nakakalbo na siya. So, we have to go proceed there. So, I'm gonna show you what kind of tree that's already, already done the leaves drop. Already done. So, ayan, kumukoy. So, yan, it's same kind of tree that I showed before there.
You sure?
Yeah, and then that is now, this is what we have now. So, now it's empty. That's very empty. So, no more, wala na siyang, leaves. And this one, show it here. See, wala na siyang leaves.
Completely bare.
Kasi early drop na siya. So, wala na. Nag-pollen na yung mga leaves niya. So, and those one also, look at that. And the other one. So, ayan, nakalbo na sila. So, and during the springtime, they're going to have leaves back again.
Whoa.
And the flowers blowing also, right?
No.
So what? So
The trees will
let's go
fall
proceed
down.
to another tree. The trees there are so very red. And the yellow also, there's a big tree there. Woohoo! See, so fun. So ayan guys, ang laki ng kahoy doon, kulay dilaw. Tapos ito naman yung pula. So yan. 'Di ba? Ang ganda ng kulay. Honey, can you do this for me? Ayan. Then I'm gonna...
Oh, you're gonna get dizzy.
Ginagawa mo.
I'm gonna take a picture there with you. So now, so ayun guys, I'll show you the very big yellow tree. Oh my god. So ayun guys. Oh, it's a palm tree there. They have a big tree here. Lincoln Drive STS. Wow, look at this. So nice. So
It's
look at
now changing.
now it's changing. Right, honey? Yeah. So look at this, guys. It's changing. So now it's changing like
Yeah,
this.
now it's just changing.
Oh, see? Become like this.
Wow.
So then I will have yellow too. The yellow. So that's it. Look at that. Very nice. Oh, the pole took out the water there. So ayan guys, ito naman. Can you take me away? Honey. Ano pa lang siya, farming. So nag-grow pa lang siya. So it was like this before. Before, ito siya, oh, ganyan. So nag-change yung color niya kasi ito parang baby pa siya. So ito, parang used na sila na mag-change yung leaves niya. Parang papunta na siya sa ano. Malaglag na yung mga dahon niya for drying. So ito hindi pa. So ayan. So